How are you? I hope you are well. Though we are passing a very critical period because of COVID 19, COVID means corona virus disease. It's a very dangerous disease, but we all not be panicked, but we will follow some precautions such as use sanitizer, use mask, eat nutritious food, and follow the rules of hygiene. I hope you will be good at home. But when you will go outside, you must have to use mask. Okay, please follow these rules. Now we will start our discussion today. I will discuss with you about a topic, English second paper topic. It is narration. In your previous classes, you have learned about it, but though we are staying at home for a long time, you have to practice, I think. So today I will discuss this topic again. Okay, students, now follow the blackboard. Narration, it has two kinds. One is direct narration and the other is indirect. When the speaker speaks in own, it is called direct narration, and when other people speaks about the speaker, then it will be indirect narrations. But if we want to make a direct narration into indirect, we have to follow some rules. Here I am discussing about this. There are 5 kinds of sentences. You have to know the definitions of these sentences, because if you do not know the definition, you will not. It is very difficult to choose what type of linker you will use, and so much problems will be arise if you do not know the definition. Okay, according to meaning, sentences are 5 kinds. It is assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. Assertive sentence again are 2 kinds. One is affirmative and the other is negative. Interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. And narrations has 2 parts. One, look at the blackboard. There are 2 parts. One is inside the comma, inverted comma, and the other is outside the inverted comma and inverted comma. Okay. At first, you will look at the reported part. It is called reported part and it is called reporting verb. Reported speech and reporting verb. If you want to choose what type of sentence is it, at first you will look at the reported speech, and then you will be clear what type of sentence it is, and you will then change the verb, and you will set up the linker. Okay. The man said, I am going to Dhaka. I am going to Dhaka. I am going to Dhaka. It expresses a simple definition, simple description. I am going to Dhaka. So it is a assertive sentence. And when you will be choice that it is a assertive sentence, then you will sense the reporting verb said. If there is no object, you can remain here said, no problem. But if there is subject, object, you will change it into told. The man said. Now our duty is to set up a linker here, because that the sentence is assertive, will and the linker is that, and it is present continuous, and in indirect narration it will be changed into past continuous. Okay. And here the important part is how to select here the subject. It's a important part. Okay. If the reported speech subject is first person, you will choose it according to the reporting verb subject. And if the reported speech second person, you will choose according to the object of the reporting verb. And if it is the third person, it will remain unchanged. Okay, the man said that here the subject is I, it's a first person, and then the subject will be according to the subject. The man, and we will here is. The man said that he will, here the subject will be he. The man said that he am will be changed according to this subject, and it will be said because it is present, and in indirect narration it will be past. The man said that am will be changed here was. The man said that he was going to Dhaka, and it will always be a assertive sentence. The man said that he was going to Dhaka. You see, it is assertive sentence. And now we will discuss about interrogative sentence. Look at the reported speech part. If it denotes any question, then you will be select that it's a interrogative sentence. Are you here? Okay. If the reported part is interrogative, then said will be changed into asked. The man asked him to will not set here. The man asked him here are. So we will use as a linker if, and then we will be select here the subject. Here the subject is you, it's a second person, and now we will set here according to the object. The man asked him if him is the object, and when it will be a subject, it will be he, and it is present indefinite. The man asked him if he, and it will be changed into past indefinite. If he was ill. Every indirect speech is a assertive sentence. The man asked him if he was ill. Now we will discuss about imperative sentence. The man said to him, obey your parents. Look at the reported part. Here the reported part denotes advice. The man said to him, obey your parents. Here the reported part is denotes or expresses advice. So the reporting verb will be changed ordered. The man ordered him. Here, if the important part is affirmative, here the linker will be to. And this possessive will be changed according to the subject, his parents. The man, not ordered, advised, because it expresses the man advised him to obey his parents. Now, students, I am sure you will be able to do this at your home if you practice, and I hope it will help you to understand this topic. Okay, students, you must follow these rules, and again I am advising him to stay at home most of the time and try to follow the rules of hygiene, because of COVID-19 is a very dangerous disease and we must try to avoid it. Okay, thank you.